In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail filters like a pro. Whether you're trying to organize a bustling inbox or clear out the clutter, learning how to use Gmail filters effectively can completely streamline your email management. So let's dive right in. First things first, you need to open Gmail and log into your account. This step is as simple as pie. Just head over to the Gmail website and enter your login details. Once you're in, the journey of mastering filters begins. Now focus your attention on the Gmail search bar at the top. To the right side of it, you'll notice a small icon. This is the Show Search Options icon. Click on it and you'll see a filter form appearing before you, providing several fields that allow you to refine and specify exactly what you're looking for in your email stream. Let's explore these fields, starting with the From field. This allows you to filter emails based on the sender. For instance, if you want to isolate all emails from your bank, you could fill in something like alerts@bank.com. Moving on, we have the To field. This one is especially useful if you manage multiple accounts, as it helps you keep emails relevant to specific accounts organized. Next, focus on the subject line. Entering keywords like invoice or urgent here will help you easily navigate through emails that demand your immediate attention or consistent follow-up. If there are particular phrases you want to filter by that has the words field is your friend, just input the specific phrases that are commonly found in emails you want to flag. Keeping an eye on the size of your emails can also be crucial, especially if you're bumping up against storage limits. Use the size field to filter out emails larger or smaller than a specified limit, ensuring that hefty emails don't bog down your account. Here's a tip: combining multiple fields can offer precise control, allowing you to filter emails down to the nitty-gritty details. Once you've filled out the fields to your satisfaction, click Create Filter. Now choose what you want Gmail to do with any emails that meet your criteria. You have several actions at your disposal. You could choose to skip the inbox by archiving it, apply labels like receipts or work for easier categorization, forward it to another address, or even delete it or star it for extra visibility. After setting your choice, click Create Filter to activate it. Congratulations, you've set up your Gmail filter. But let's say you need to make adjustments. Click the settings icon and choose See All Settings. Head over to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Here you can edit existing filters, delete them, or create new ones as your needs evolve. There you have it. With these instructions, you'll be navigating and organizing your Gmail like a pro. Happy filtering!